Santa could travel to every country in one night. So that got me thinking, how many countries can I work in one night using an antenna made with Christmas lights? So let me show you my plan for the antenna. I'm going to be using the in-fed half-wave antenna for this due to the yard layout. So if we look at the in-fed half-wave, from the balun and our wire. Now an in-fed half-wave, on the radiating line, you have high current near the balun, and you have high voltage at the end. So we need to figure out where we want to put the strand of 50 Christmas lights. If we put it down here at the high current side, it'll work, but it's not going to light up the bulbs accurately. They need that voltage. So even though we don't have electrical voltage, we have RF voltage on the line, and that can light up the lights. So after doing some hardcore math, 6, 7, 8, I found that if we come back 8 foot from the end and put our Christmas lights in there and cut this out, that'll give us the optimum chance for the lights lighting up. Now what I would expect would happen is that we're going to see the brightest at the end closest to the transformer and then get dim as it goes down the line. So let's go take a look at the antenna.
You'll have some firecrackers.
No, Bethany, those are Christmas lights.
Oh, I hope I can complete this. So for this, I decided to run FT8. I know there's a lot of you who hate FT8, and that's fine. You don't have to use it. That's another new one for the books. Come on. I personally prefer it, so I'm going to run that for this challenge. Yes. So at the end of the night, I ended up with 14 countries. That's not bad at all. Not as good as Santa, but I'm only running 30 watts. So what would you have done differently? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have an idea for an antenna challenge, let me know in the comments as well. Oh, and don't forget to check out my website, brokensignal.tv. And as always, thank you for watching.